In 2025, OpenAI announced that they are going to shut down the Assistants API on August the 26th, 2026. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to make some changes to the way your assistants work in the AI eLearning Powerpack. When you upgrade AI eLearning Powerpack to version 1.3 and head to the settings within the AI eLearning Powerpack, what you need to do is tick the Use Responses API option. This is what OpenAI have released to replace the existing Assistants API. Then you can click Save Changes, and from here, any assistants that you've got set up will need to be migrated over to Responses API. And to help with this, we've shown here, it'll say Assistants API migration needed, and this will need to happen before August the 26th, 2026 in order for your assistants to keep working. Thankfully, the process for this is relatively straightforward, and we'll guide you through that now. So you may recall that you set up your assistants in platform.openai.com, and you would have set this up under the Assistants section, which is now found under More and then Assistants. And notice at the top here, we've got the advisory here that says it's going to be switched off in August 2026. But it's likely that you'll have in here a number of assistants, and each one has an ID. And it's this ID that links the assistant that you're setting up here with the assistant on your platform. So if we scroll down, we've got this assistant ID, and this is what matches up with the assistant set up in OpenAI. Essentially, what we need to do is copy what's in here over into the plugin itself. So we're not having to edit it through this assistant interface here. We can add the instructions directly in the plugin. So what I'm going to do is copy out these system instructions. I'm just going to select it and then click copy. And I'm going to switch back to the AI eLearning Powerpack. And where we have the instructions here inside the AI eLearning Powerpack, I'm just going to paste those in. Notice that immediately this now becomes green. It says responses ready, and it would use these instructions for this assistant instead of what was currently set in the OpenAI platform. If your assistant didn't previously have any files associated with it to infer how it responds, particular knowledge on certain subjects, then this is all you need to do. You can simply go down to the bottom, save changes, and this assistant will now be ready to use. However, if you did have any files associated with the assistant previously, what we need to do is head back to the platform.openai.com and scroll down to where it says File Search. And you would have had some files set up here, and they're stored in what's called a vector store. We can click on this to see the vector store for Elizabeth here. We can see the files that I previously uploaded, and I can click on this copy icon here to copy this ID. And this is an ID for the vector store, and these are files that are stored within OpenAI. Switching back over to the AI eLearning Powerpack, what I'm going to do is tick Enable File Search for this particular assistant, and then paste in that vector store ID. I'll now click Save Changes, and this assistant can now use the files that were previously associated with it. And if you want to see what they were, we can click Refresh Files here, and this will list them. If we need to remove them, we can do this directly via the interface for the plugin. And likewise, if we want to add any additional files, then these can be uploaded from our WordPress media library. Once you've made these changes, then you'll notice that the warnings that previously appeared are no longer there, and there'll be a message here saying responses ready plus files. At this point, you should test out your virtual tutors and AI-powered conversations to make sure they're working as they should. And if they are, then that's everything that's needed to ensure that they keep working once the Assistants API is no longer available.